Myself Prisha Wadhwa.
Myself Tanya Singh, Himanshi Chauhan, Ritu Chauhan, myself Ritika Gaur.
This activity is all about happiness.
Happiness is positive emotions we have in regards to the pleasurable activities we take part in through our daily lives.
Basically, today we are going to perform an activity and survey on spinning wheel and their challenges.
Basically, it's we take opinions or interviews of random people and give them tasks to perform on the spot.
So let's start with the interview.
Hello, my name is Tanya. What's your name?
Hello, my name is Jasveer Singh.
Okay. So, Jasveer, we today are performing an activity for a project. It's kind of happiness activity. We are we have a spinning wheel. You have just to spin the wheel, and whichever task it says, you have to perform it right now. And I'll be asking a few questions, general questions, and you have to answer it right now. Will you be able to perform it?
Yeah, sure, of course.
Okay. So, Ritu, please bring the spinning wheel. Okay, so it says skipping rope. So, Prisha, please give him your skipping rope. So you can start with the activity. Okay. So, Jasveer, can you tell what is the source of happiness?
My source of happiness is doing sketching and playing tabla.
So you love sketching,
Yes.
Which kind of sketching, like sceneries or something like that?
I'm totally neutral about it. I
Okay.
can sketch nature drawing. I mostly like to do object drawing because it enhances my creativity
Okay.
and observation skills.
Okay. And do you have any kind of distractions, like social media, phone, something like that? Anything?
I don't think so. I have any distractions, but yeah, sometimes I, get very much engaged.
Okay. Thank you, Jasveer. That was really nice meeting you. Do
Sorry? Vibhav. So Vibhav, we are performing a happiness activity, and that activity includes spinning wheel. You have to spin the wheel, and whatever task it says, you have to perform it right in front of us. And I'll be asking a few questions regarding it. Okay?
And what will I get?
Basically, that's
Chocolate तो नहीं देंगे मुझे.
chocolate. Okay, I will make sure you don't buy. So, once you bring the spinning wheel, so you can spin it. Yeah, you can spin it. So it says 10 push-ups.
10 push-ups.
Great. 10
अभी करने?
Yeah, you can do it. Yeah. And yeah. So Vibhav, what's your source of happiness that you can share with us?
Push-up करते कर.
Yeah, you can answer that.
10 तो हो गए.
कोई बात नहीं. You can continue with that.
Source of happiness.
Yeah, source of happiness.
Traveling with my friends.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that's right. And what's your a beautiful memory that you can share with us? Any memory that you have made till now?
Beautiful memory.
That can be from anywhere.
Playing with my
Memory
dog.
also. Playing?
Playing with my dog.
Okay, that's great. Thank you very much, Vibhav. My name is Tanya. What's your name? Tanishka. Tanishka. Okay. So Tanishka, basically we have an happiness activity. So will you be able to perform that? Yeah. Okay. So there's a spinning wheel. You have to spin the wheel, and whichever task it says, you have to perform that task. Okay? Okay. Prisha, bring the spinning wheel. Spin it. Okay, so it's okay. Okay, very nice. So Tanishka, what's your favorite memory that you can share with us? I got my friends. I got my true friends. Oh, that's really nice. And any kind of distraction you have?
No, not as such.
Thank you very much.
you.
My name is Tanya. What's your name? Okay, so we are conducting a happiness activity. There will be a spinning wheel. You have to spin the wheel, and whichever task it says, you have to perform it right now. And I'll be asking few questions. Okay? Yeah. Thank you very much. Bye.
Okay, it says 10 push-ups. You can start with that.
Yeah.
Okay, so do you have any kind of like source of happiness that you can share with us?
Yeah, sure. But I want to do push-ups.
Yes. And any kind of distraction?
Do you know how many I have done right now?
Are you comfortable right now?
Yeah, I'm comfortable. But how
Continue
many
with
have I
that.
done? 5 right?
Yes. Yeah, you have done 4-5. That's very nice. So basically, you're the first player who is like doing the 10 push-ups. Nobody has agreed to that.
I've done right.
Yeah, you have done it. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Okay, Sneha, so we are conducting a happiness activity. Will you be part of it? Sure, yes. Okay, so there's a spinning wheel. You have to spin the wheel, and whichever task it says, you have to perform that task right. And I'll be asking like a few questions. Okay? Answer.
Okay, it said squats for 1 minute. So you can start with that. Okay, alright. So Sneha, can you like share a favorite memory of yours if you're comfortable?
When I attended a concert, it was
Yeah.
my best memory.
Okay. Like which concert did you attend?
At the festival.
Oh, that's very nice. And any kind of distraction that you're facing right now?
You Insta reels, biggest distraction.
Okay, that's. Thank you very much.
Hello, my name is Himanshu and what's yours? Today we are having a happiness activity. Are you able to perform that? You have to spin a wheel and then you have to do the task according to that.
So it says squats for 1 minute. So you can start with that whenever you're comfortable. So yeah, you can start with that. We have like done the time. Okay. So what's your source of happiness that you can share with us today?
Friends, of course.
Friends. Okay, alright. And do you have any kind of distractions in your life? None. Okay, that's it. That's great. You're doing great. Very great. Name is Tanya. What's your name? Okay, so today we are here to perform an happiness activity. Will you be able to perform it? So basically, there is a spinning wheel. You will spin the wheel, and whichever task it will say, you have to perform that task. Okay? And I'll ask few questions. Done? Okay. Please bring the spinning wheel. Okay, 20 jumping. What is your source of happiness?
Jumping jacks.
My source of happiness is my fitness.
And why do you think so? Why do you think so that
Because
fitness?
I want to maintain my healthy life.
Okay, and about what is your distraction?
And distraction is you.
My name is Mike Sharma.
So, I'm performing like an happiness activity. Will you be able to perform it? So, there's a spinning wheel. I'll basically spin the wheel, and whichever task it says, you have to perform that right now while asking a few questions. Okay? So, bring the spinning wheel. Yeah. Okay, one more time. Okay, so you'll be doing push-ups. Okay. What is your distraction?
Nothing.
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 And happiness?
Happiness is not my distraction.
Your
My
happiness.
fitness and my sports.
Your sports. Why do you think that sports is your happiness?
It gives me satisfaction.
Okay. Name is Tanya. What's your name?
My name is Gopal.
Okay, so Gopal, today we are doing an happiness activity. Will you be able to perform it?
Yes.
Okay, so there's a spinning wheel. I'll spin the wheel, or you'll spin the wheel basically, and whichever task it says, you have to perform it. Okay? Bring the spinning wheel. Spin the wheel. Okay, it says squats.
तो जंपिंग जैक तो हाँ पुशअप आता है Yeah, yeah. Push up. Push up.
Okay,
Push up.
you'll do push-ups. Okay, all right. Push-ups. Okay. Very nice. So, Gopal, what do you think is your distraction in today's life?
My distraction is girls.
Girls. Okay, all right. And why do you think that?
They don't let me to study.
Okay. So basically, girls are your distraction.
Yes.
Nice. And your source of happiness?
Source of happiness
Yes.
is fitness.
Is fitness?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Tanya, what's your name?
Prince John.
Okay, Prince. Today we are performing an happiness activity, and can you be able to perform it?
Yes.
Okay. So there's a spinning wheel. You'll spin the wheel, whichever task it says, you have to perform that. Okay? Okay. Prisha, bring the spinning wheel. Okay, it says 10 push-ups. Okay. You want to do it again? Okay. So, Prince, what is your source of happiness?
My friends.
Your friends. That's very nice. And why do you think that so?
They always help me to laugh and stay
Okay.
happy.
And your beautiful memory, if you have any. Do you have any kind of beautiful memory that you would like to share?
Nothing.
You don't have. Okay. Don't worry. Thank you. My name is Tanya. What's your name? Puneet, today we are performing this activity. Will you be able to perform it?
Yes.
Okay. So basically, we have a spinning wheel. You just have to spin the wheel, and whichever task it says, you have to perform it right now while answering a few questions. Okay. Okay. Prisha, spinning wheel.
What's mine?
पहले आराम से कर. 10 push up.
Okay, so you have to perform push-ups. Continue with that. So, Puneet,
Yes.
like, what is your happiness? Why do you feel happy, or what is the source basically?
Yeah, push up.
New people.
Talking to new people, like
Yes,
making,
like
basically
approaching
making new.
It's good. Actually, happiness to me नहीं पता, but it was something unique, different from others.
Yeah, thank you very much. That's a really good answer you have got till now, right? And like, can you rate us from 1 to 10 on the points?
मैंने इसे ready नहीं करे happiness की, so I will rate it around 7.
Whatever these spin wheels, what we were supposed to have, we were able to do that. Like it just shows the capacity within us. It was a fun activity.
Thank you.
You feel very from this activity?
It was very good. I've done sports after a long time, so I would like to rate this 10 out of 10.
Basically, you guys did our activity. What do you think of this activity? Like giving that kind of feedback to us.
आप सबकी एक्टिविटी फिटनेस के लिए मोटिवेशन टाइप है.
Okay. And Prince, can you give?
सही है, मतलब लोगों को मोटिवेट करना, उनसे मतलब फिजिकली उनको बोलना करवाना उनसे, और ऐसे जैसे हम हैं, हम कर रहे हैं, फिर वो लोग देखते हैं, वो थोड़ा मोटिवेट होते हैं कि हाँ हमें फिटनेस की तरफ जाना चाहिए. हर चीज़ है सही है, अच्छा है.
Okay, Puneet, like, do you want to add something?
Yes, it was good for motivation and सब ठीक है. और इसमें क्या है कि अपना पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू भी आप रख सकते हो कि आपको किस में इंटरेस्ट है, तो ये एक अच्छी एक्टिविटी है.
Okay. And like, can you give us a rating so that we can improve more in future if we
I
do
would like
something
to-
like this?
I would like
You
to
would
add,
have increase the more exercise in your roulette.
Exercise.
Yes,
So,
yes.
okay, that we'll focus on. Anything else?
7 out of 10.
Okay.
9 out of 10.
Okay, thank you.
8.5.
Oh, thank you very much.
What was your experience while performing the activity?
I feel it was good, but yeah, it's very so bad.
Your activity is very good, and I also like your activity.
Yeah. It's so creative. Creative activity.
Like, can you give us a feedback? Like, what to improve and something like that? What do you feel?
I would say that distraction is one of the things which nowadays everyone is facing with this.
Yes.
Mostly, like there are some people who are engaged in Netflix series and Instagram.
Yes.
So all you have to do is bring discipline in your life and focus in your goal, because nothing is greater than that.
That was really nice meeting you. Like, can you rate our activity, this activity, out of 10, whichever do you feel? Any rating?
I would truly say, honestly speaking, I would rate 10, because this kind of activity should be done, because only then people will get to realize about the true happiness, and they will get the path.
Did
to
you
live.
love doing this skipping for 1 minute, and did you love it?
Yeah, sure, it's fun.
Thank you very much.